In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link TikTok account to TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll have your TikTok profile connected so you can manage your storefront, tag products in content, and streamline marketing from one place. Before we dive in, make sure your region and business type are eligible for TikTok Shop and that you have access to the TikTok account you want to connect. Start by opening your TikTok Shop account. This means going to your TikTok Shop Seller Center and opening the specific shop you want to manage. If you operate more than one shop, double-check that you're in the correct one so the right account gets linked. Once you're in, go to My Account. You'll typically find this in the top navigation or profile area of the Seller Center. My Account is where all your core settings live, including security, permissions, and the connections that tie your shop to your TikTok presence. Inside My Account, look for Linked to TikTok Accounts. This section is dedicated to managing any TikTok profiles associated with your shop. It's also where you can review what's already connected and add or remove links as your team or strategy changes. Under Official Account, click Link, Official Account. Your official account is the primary TikTok profile that represents your brand or business. Linking it ensures your shop is recognized as authentic and lets you use key features like product tagging from your main profile. When you choose this option, you may see a prompt to authorize the connection. That's normal. Just make sure you're selecting the correct TikTok profile that matches your brand presence. Next, in the Marketing Accounts area, click Link, New TikTok Accounts. Marketing accounts are additional TikTok profiles that can help promote your products. Think creator partners, team-managed marketing profiles, or regional pages. Linking them lets those accounts participate in campaigns and content features associated with your shop. If you collaborate with creators or manage multiple brand profiles, this is where you bring them into your shop's ecosystem. Keep in mind that connected marketing accounts should have the appropriate permissions within your marketing workflow. After you've linked your official account and any marketing accounts, take a quick look back at the Linked to TikTok Accounts section to confirm everything shows as connected. That's a simple way to verify you're good to go. And that's it. You opened your TikTok Shop account, went to My Account, navigated to Linked to TikTok Accounts, linked your official account, and added any marketing accounts you need. With these connections in place, you're set up to run a smoother, more integrated TikTok Shop experience.